Hey, my beautiful revivers. So, guys, you know I don't eat meat, only seafood. And my girls love, love, love greens. I usually do like turnip with the collards, or sometimes I do turnip and mustards mix. But I just have regular collards. So, if you want to see me create these collard greens in a way that has no meat but make you think you're eating some collard greens that were flavored with meat, stay tuned because I will be sharing that video. I have a lot of videos that I've been posting about my transition and different things, but I've been so busy. But just work with me, guys, because they are coming. But yes, I just went to get these, and we're going to be cleaning these, and I'm going to be making a sweet cornbread and some vegan macaroni and cheese that is to die for. Still up in the air with that video or whatever, how I want to do that video. But definitely stay tuned because I will be showing you my way to make collard greens with so much flavor. You'll want to slap your mama, your grandmama, and your grandmama's mama. Okay, I'm telling you. All right, guys, stay tuned. And remember, I'm going to be sharing a lot of transitioning things and a lot of transitioning foods, which people are loving because a lot of people are transitioning and some people don't have the coins to waste. And sometimes a review always makes it better. So yeah, these are some regular collards that I picked up from Price Right. And this was the request of my daughter. So that will be our meal. And I will be sharing that with you. All right, later, gators.